If you're running an online business, one of the most critical elements of security is having a solid password strategy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best ways to create a password strategy for your online business. And trust me, this is something you don't want to skip. First off, start by using a password manager. A password manager will help you securely store all your business passwords in one place, so you don't have to remember each one. And yes, this is something I recommend for every online business owner. You don't want to be guessing passwords or reusing them. This leaves your accounts vulnerable. The software we'll be using for this is easy to set up and will take care of the rest. It's essential for securely managing multiple accounts with ease. I've tried out a few of the most popular ones, and I'll link the software in the description below. Plus, you'll get an exclusive free trial just for watching this video. So check that out after we're done. Now, let's dive into the second step. Create strong, unique passwords. Every password should be different, and it should contain a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A good rule of thumb is at least 12 characters. The longer and more complex, the harder it is for someone to crack. Avoid using easily guessable things like your business name, birth dates, or common words. Instead, think random but memorable combinations. Also, don't underestimate the power of two-factor authentication. Enable it wherever possible for an added layer of protection. This makes sure that even if someone does manage to get your password, they still need a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone to access your account. It's a simple step that drastically improves your security. You should also set up password expiration policies for your team. If you have employees or contractors, make sure they're changing their passwords regularly, at least every 90 days. For an online business, this reduces the risk of someone having access to your accounts indefinitely. If you have a team using the same login details, make sure you're controlling and limiting access based on roles. Another key step is to never share your passwords over email, text, or any unprotected platform. Instead, always use the password manager for sharing login details. This way, all information is encrypted, and only authorized people have access to it. Next, use password vaults for shared accounts. If your team needs access to the same account, don't have them all use the same password. Instead, use the password vault in your password manager to securely share access without actually giving them the password. A final tip is to stay on top of your security audits. Regularly check your accounts for any unusual activity, and if you're using software for your business, ensure it has alerts or monitoring features to notify you of potential threats. Key takeaway here. Create a password strategy that combines strong, unique passwords with a secure password manager, and make sure you implement two-factor authentication. Control access by using vaults and limiting sharing, and don't forget to audit regularly. To quickly summarize, use a password manager, create strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, set password expiration for team members, never share passwords unsecured, use vaults for shared access, and monitor your security with regular audits. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software I mentioned earlier in the description. It's the perfect tool to implement the password strategy we've talked about today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.